Place the daisy head and petals where desired. Place a long strip of tape about midway across sticker. Fold back halfway and peel off back paper. Take scissors and cut off this half of paper. Fold over and rub using hand tool, working from center to edges. Remove tape. Fold over, remove back paper, lift sticker and then lower in place. Rub using hand tool, working from center to edges. Peel off any mask paper by gently pulling across the surface. If the stem pieces are not separated, cut them as shown. Lay out the leaves to begin the bottom part. Lay out the stems to fit between leaves. Lay out the butterflies wherever you'd like and adjust any pieces so no stickers overlap. Once you are happy with the layout and pattern, remove stems and butterflies and secure leaf pieces in place using painter's tape. Lift, peel, and lower leaf stickers into position. Rub using the soft side of the hand tool, working from the center towards edges. Reposition the stems and apply the same way. Place butterflies where desired and rub the same way. Job well done! Please read and follow all written instructions provided and contact us if you have any questions.